Hey everyone, this is JJ Justman with RMI Expeditions. Our entire team is standing right now on Columbia Crest, the summit of Mount Rainier. We had a beautiful day, gorgeous weather, beautiful sunrise, and I tell you, you couldn't beat the weather. So we're gonna have a little bit of a drink and a little bit of a snack, and then we'll start heading downhill back to Camp Muir. We are on a expedition skills seminar trip, so we will be finishing our training later this evening as well as tomorrow, but the team just did a fantastic job. Couldn't ask for a better group and a better day to climb Mount Rainier.
Hi, my name is Mike Oliver. I'm on Columbia Crest, summit of Mount Rainier, and thanks for a great trip, RMI.